Hello guys, good evening, and tonight we are here in the rooftop container garden, and we are here in the groups of succulent plants here in our rooftop garden. And in one table we collected some succulent plants, and these succulent plants are being attacked by some brown caterpillars which later will become butterfly. But this black prince used to be a very nice plant with complete leaves, but now already attacked by some brown young caterpillars or higads, and we identify 3 of them trying to eat the leaves of the black prince succulent plant. In daytime you cannot see them eating the leaves of the succulent plants, but they are eating the leaves during the night time. They are there eating the leaves of the black prince. See, you can identify 1, 2, and 3. These hairy, scary, small brown caterpillars are eating all the leaves of this black prince succulent plant and already mutilated. Almost all the leaves are gone, and still they are attacking the leaves of this black prince succulent plant. And others also, they already attacked the leaves of the snake plant. I put some leaves here to be grown, this acetaba, and also attacked by the brown caterpillar. You see, you can see the waste product of the brown caterpillar, and I already exterminated. I found 1, and here we found 3, and we will be exterminating this impure. Found also here 1 here in that leaves of the snake plant, and these acetaba leaves already eaten by brown caterpillar. What we will do now is to exterminate these 3 young higads or caterpillars, so they will stop eating these leaves of the black prince. Yeah. Okay, so here in my right hand I have here the cutter, so we will cut into 2 this we will cut into 2 one by one all these higad or brown caterpillar which are attacking the brown prince succulent plant. Okay, we'll exterminate now this one. Okay, I already cut into 2 and dispose this one. So we'll dispose this one. Yeah, they are already cut into 2. And another one. Yeah, it will be cut into 2. They are harmful insect and not useful to this succulent plants. And this is the number 3 here. Okay, now I already have it in the cutter, and we will cut into 2. Okay, so we'll dispose this one because the hair is dangerous and itchy. Now it's already clear, and we already exterminated the 3 young higads which are attacking the black prince succulent plant. Okay, this is a very nice black prince plant, but now it's already ugly. As you can see in the previous video, It is a very nice plant. But due to this higads or the hairy small caterpillars, they have eaten and mutilated all the green leaves. Okay? So just to give you some idea how this higad operate, you cannot see them in the morning or in daytime, but they will come out in the night time to eat your plants in your garden. Okay? Okay guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will be notified for my future uploads in my YouTube channel. Again, this is the Urban Plant Grower saying thank you very much for watching all my videos and goodbye.